That's
You
it.
have me on Instagram.
I got you.
I have drink, you drink, and I go.
Okay, last one. And then I'll message you for the party.
Oof. You drink.
Okay.
Before they go. Oh, don't spill it. Don't spill it. Is it good? Yeah. Fork is good. Fuck it.
It's disgusting. What the fuck?
This is Croatia. You cannot do this in New York. Gila, come.
Yes, typically this is what happens. What I'm saying is that even though typically the laws morality is what influences law, I'm saying that there can be sometimes occasions in which the law can influence public opinion. I'm saying that happens. Right? Like I think it's absolutely absurd to me, the idea that someone can completely give you all of what you're saying and saying you're right on most cases. There are some random or few exceptions where this is not the case. And you're like, oh, you're hand waving. I'm not hand waving. I granted it to you. You just got to chill the hell out. I've said it multiple times. You're right. I agree. This is typically what happens. However, there are
Do you know / talk to people that think about things consistently like you do, or do you think most people are okay with being inconsistent? There's only one other person
Stop stuffing your fat fucking
I've
mouth.
ever met in my entire life who had a similar thought process to me, and he jumped off a fucking building. So at this particular moment in time, no, I do not know anybody else. There's possible there are people that I've talked to that do, like Dr. K might. I just don't have that close of a relationship with him, and I don't think he wants to explore like political issues.
The League of Legends, occasionally TFT.
Are you and XQC like mad at each other? Y'all are my favorite streamers.
Are you and XQC mad at each other? You're my favorite streamer. Actually, XQC reached out this morning to smooth things over, and he was really polite and like, we're cool. XQC's a really good Among Us player. His playstyle is a little different from mine, but he was super chill. Off stream. On stream, when there's 80,000 people watching and like giving you shit and like stuff, it's hard sometimes for sure, but I had a good time.
You would have to grab them by the horns so they couldn't use it, right? So they couldn't use it as like a weapon against you. So I'd have to go and like, boom, and I had to grab it to make sure that it couldn't like do this, and like I had to hold them down, and then you get on top of them, right? You get like behind it, and then it's like, okay, you hold them down, okay, good, boom. And
oh, wow. Dude, that's so hard to catch, man. What the fuck? Who the fuck caught that, dude? Who the fuck caught that in the first place? What's wrong with you? You probably watched this on fucking 0.25.
Okay. Thanks for coming on, Lou.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah,
okay. Do I leave now? Is that
sure?
Okay, right.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Do you want to just tell us about your channel before you go?
No, God no. Bye.
Fuck.
Holy shit, bro.
What do you mean? Skip over there, or...
Holy fuck. I am reading chat, bro. I can barely read bananas.
Buddy, at the freaking...
Yeah, I know, bro.
I just legit saw Brayden walking down.
Bro, I'm confused.
I saw Brayden walking away from the room right before I went into that room and saw the I think it's good.
Pause, bro. This is...
Thank you for the beats. Thank you. Did you hear that? Jay Gorma, thank you for 2 months. Did you hear that? Did you hear the bicycle man calling me China whore?
No, because you guys are going to make me fat. I don't want that. I know what you're going to do. Here's mine.
I put my shirt on backwards.
Dude,
Oh. Oh.
Oh my fucking god. My heart, holy shit. Oh my god, that scared the shit. I was so scared.
That was.
Mm-hmm.
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 Where any?
Deacon Tim.
The best VTuber is the Shark Girl. You guys know that.
Chat, how does he look like me?
Bro, I'm confused.
Walking away from the room right before I went into that room and saw the fight. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, bro, this is. Holy shit, bro.
What do you mean?
Holy fuck. I am reading chat, bro. I can barely read bananas.
That's why I never want to eat snacks in front of you.
Why?
Because I'll offer you some and I feel bad.
You don't offer me shit.
What?
You don't offer me anything. Honestly, hold on. You didn't offer me anything. I'm depressed. You don't care? I gained 20 pounds. The movie didn't work. Offline TV left me. What? I don't fit in with them, huh? What? I don't fit along with them. Well, they don't call me back no more. It's like I'm the imposter.
I can see it in the camera. So you never know where this chat is going to go. There, Carla, just to let you know that. Hazel G, thank you for the warm welcoming. Sexy.
Fuck off, you can have it. I don't want it.
Oh,
Wait. That means it's real.
This is the last person I have to kill in order to win. Is it gonna be sad? Maybe. Okay.
I'm about to work out.
Alright.
I can't enjoy a nice cookie. What does it say?
Oh, that is hot.
It says
It says your name.
Ludwig.
Oh, those were just patterns. I was just showing them patterns.
Cool. What are you putting on it?
Oh my god.
What?
Look at your It's just nipple and
I'm on
tummy.
camera right now?
You knew that.
And say they shouldn't ever wear masks if they have any medical issues or mental health concerns.
This looks like a Quinn69 stream
George Floyd
meetup.
was saying, I can't
Yep,
breathe, and then he died. And now we're wearing a mask, and we say, I can't breathe, but we're being forced to wear it anyway.
Shut the fuck up, you dumb whore! I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm getting triggered.
Die_Kalash.
I'm getting triggered. I can't watch this. I can't watch it. I just can't watch it. I can't watch it. I can't. Holy shit. All the fucking fat's gone to her brain. It stops it from functioning. You just got just fat's gone into a fucking brain. Like fucking pudding in a fucking brain just can't fucking. Yeah, George Floyd, I can't breathe. I can wear a mask. What is she even on about? Okay, I shouldn't have brought. I'm getting triggered as fuck. I can't. That's why.
I was out like this. I was doing a photo shoot like this, but I know that you guys. If I was streaming like this, I know that you guys are not gonna listen to my stories. So I'm now wearing this to make sure that you listen to me, not staring at my boobs. I am making sure that you listen to me.
You got your cable? It's important. I don't need it. You have this thingy to pop out some keys. This is really important, okay? Because you can pop out keys, and then you can clean your keyboard very easily. Very important. There's a lot of food in my keyboard currently, so what I usually do is I just get a new keyboard.
Electrical.
You just
Where
went
up and did the
the electrical door.
You're where? Electrical
He just
door?
walked up towards the electrical door. I was there first, though.
You walked up to the electrical door?
He came from the bottom. Like, he went, like...
Where's the
up
body
and
train?
to the left.
Chance, where are you?
I don't fucking remember.
Jack, where are you?
Animate.
It says white hoe behind her head.
Stakeholders here at the White House.
Oh,
who work
Jesus
on policy.
Christ. No, weird champion.
I forgot. I have no idea. I have no idea.
crap.
Actually. I don't know TikTok. That's like this. Did I see no TikTok? I don't know. I don't know.
I mean, he's literally time in the stream, dude. He literally
Where?
is. His ego is so hurt. He's so
hold up.
mad.
Who's in electrical right now? Just
I
open
am.
the lights.
He's literally stream sniping just to get me, dude. He's just so
Hassan,
sad.
where'd you come from?
I came from the shield side.
Can you tell me where the body is? The body is literally right at the left side of storage, like at the entrance towards where electrical is.
Left side of storage?
Left side,
I
yeah.
came from right side. I did navigation. Like I went into navigation. I did navigation. I went down to shield.
It's a situation. He's literally stream sniping.
As soon as the lights went off.
Actually
Wait,
is.
who's in there with you?
Joel or me and Jay? I don't remember.
Just a small little. Guys, here's what I know. Last time, when I was a crewmate, I said something on stream, and he ended up bringing it up in a discussion
Jay
on
is with me,
Discord.
navigation side.
When he should be listening to me.
So
you see the other person?
I don't know. I feel like maybe.